Leka systems specialize in providing truly lightweight, tiled conservatory roofing, rapidly replacing your existing roofing with our industry-leading and highly energy-efficient alternative. Competitor products actually weigh nearly double that of a Leka Systems one. Using glass-reinforced plastic, or GRP, allows for a structurally tested and far lighter alternative to aluminium and timber. GRP is not at risk of sweating, condensation, or of cold bridging, unlike aluminium. Nor is GRP open to woodworm, moisture absorption, or potential rotting, such as timber. Leka systems enable your existing conservatory frames to take the weight of your new Leka roof. Each Leka system starts with light internal Leka sheets, waterproof and 1/3 the weight of plasterboard. Next, after a 15mm air gap, insulated Celotex sheets are layered on. Next, light, strong and load-bearing insulated outer sheets are added, ensuring less roofing bars and higher efficiency. Finally, a high-quality Metrotile lightweight sheet or Tapco, a slate alternative, is added. This provides a lighter, better lifespan to heavy alternative tile, concrete or traditional slate. Low-energy spotlights can be fitted for the best quality interior lighting. The Leka system demonstrates an industry-leading energy efficiency with a very low U value of just 0.15. Competitor products typically weigh up to 40% more than a Leka system. Leka Systems, the tiled lightweight conservatory roofing systems.